Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a listing on Amazon. First, you need a professional seller account. Once registered, navigate to Seller Central and find the Inventory tab. From there, you have two primary options to add your products, either one by one using the Add a Product tool or by uploading a comprehensive inventory file for multiple items. This initial step is crucial for setting up your online store. When adding products individually, you first search Amazon's catalog. If your product already exists, you can simply list your offer. For new products, you will create a completely new listing. This involves providing a unique product identifier, such as a UPC, along with the brand name and selecting the correct product category. You will also input the title, description, and key features. For sellers with numerous products, bulk uploading is highly efficient. You download a specific inventory file template from Seller Central, which is an Excel spreadsheet. This template allows you to input all product data, including titles, descriptions, prices, and even image URLs for hundreds or thousands of items at once. After populating the file, you simply upload it, and Amazon processes your listings. Optimizing your listing is vital for visibility and sales. Always use at least 6 high-quality images, showcasing your product from various perspectives. Your product title should be clear and concise, under 200 characters, and your 5 bullet points should highlight key features and benefits. Finally, incorporate relevant keywords naturally within your product description to improve search engine ranking and attract more potential buyers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.